Hi everyone, here with Pilot Institute. My name is Greg Roverdio, I'm the co-founder and I'm also the lead instructor, so I'm the person that creates the courses and talks in the courses. We teach pilots, drone pilots, airplane pilots, also helicopter pilots, and we do this online. We're the largest online drone training provider in the world, and we have over 340,000 students. So if you need any kind of training for Part 107, for mapping, photography, drone business, you name it, we have courses available. We have over 60 courses available on our platform. We also do a lot of education for drone pilots that are starting. It's very important for us to make sure that folks understand how to operate in the national airspace system safely so that, well, they don't mess it up for the rest of us that are flying commercially. And so we have courses including Trust, which is the FAA required exam that you have to do in order to fly recreationally. You can do that online for free. So if anybody is looking to get started with drone, that's probably step number one. You can go to trust.pilotinstitute.com. Again, it's free, it takes about 30 minutes, and then you get a certificate at the very end that you're able to present to the FAA if they ask for it. Also a couple of tips on those that are starting brand new, to make sure that you register your drone with the FAA. That's on the FAA Drone Zone. They have a portal where you can do all of that. The FAA provides a lot of information to pilots, so make sure that you reach out to them. You can go on their website also and find great information. What else?